all my energy and roughly about there. Thanks. Bring your flip-flops a bit more. Good luck. Feet together, you're in shorts, but we'll see what we can do.
Move this way, move this way. This way, this way. Yeah.
Oh, you need to keep the ankles together. Right. Okay. What's the problem there, everyone? Remember what I did tell everyone? What should I? When you're ready.
That was good.
Wrong foot. Wow. That was.
You ready to go? Yeah. Okay, so we have the 4 aces. Okay. The first ace happens to be the ace of spades. It's the king of all the aces. I'm going to tell you why. It's because it has all the fancy design on the front of it. It's better than the other aces. But it possesses a magical power that no one knows about. You can actually flip the aces around. Just like this. The ace of diamonds turns around. See? Instantly it changed places with the ace of clubs. It's really weird. Turn it over.
Okay, so got the 4 aces here. We just pulled the top card. Happens to be the ace of spades, which is kind of odd because if you see, the ace of spades is actually bigger and better than all the other aces. Like the king of all the aces. Slide back in. Also possesses a magical power. Not many people know about to control the other aces, such as the ace of diamonds. Or the ace of clubs. Just turn that over.
Okay, go.
Alright, what I have here are the 4 aces. And if we turn over the first one, it's the ace of spades. And it's weird if you compare it to any of the other aces because it's actually bigger and better than all the other cards in the deck. And because of that, it also has powers that not many people really realize, like the power to literally turn over other cards. And maybe the ace of hearts wasn't your favorite card. Maybe your favorite ace is, let's say, the ace of clubs, just like that. And then we turn it over.
Yep. Alright, go.
Yep.
Go.
4 aces, okay? So, we have 4 aces, and the top card is the ace of spades. See, the ace of spades is so much bigger and more detailed and everything than all the other aces. But it also has powers. It has powers to flip over other aces, like the ace of hearts. Or maybe the ace of clubs.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I'd like to share with you a really special card, Ace of Spades, very prominent in colour. You often find that the Ace of Spades is, a lot of the times, much bigger than all the other aces. It's also got another property about it. Watch, snap my finger, and you find you've got the diamonds. Snap my finger again, and you find that we've got the clubs. That's all it takes, but let's just turn these cards face down and start again. No, it's this one here, mate.
I can see it.
No, this one here.
I can see it. I can see it.
What, the big one? Have you zoomed in?
Yeah.
Okay.
To plug it into the TV.
So you can see the wasp and stuff
Yeah.
walking over it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, plug it into the TV and just put it on side. It's a little bit of nature. Everyone can be terrified. No, you don't have to be terrified. It's only a wasp. It's not probably a queen bee laying eggs. It's the drones and stuff and the workers that fly around. The queen's stepping down.
Hold on. I'm trying to get a good angle. Alright.
Give a TV.
No, that's the little one. There's a big one the other side.
The thing's too short. Hold on.
There's at least
You
two or
can't see it.
So get it.
The thing's too short.
So do it from here. Look.
Whoa.
Just
Hold on.
from here.
Hold on.
There it
Zoom in.
You had it.
Zoom in.
There's another one with
Zoom in.
That's how far I can go.
2 or 3 eggs.
Okay.
Oh, move right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right in front of the TV.
Yeah, but if I move.
So
I
just
see one with 2, 3 eggs right there.
no TV.
Well, there's 2.
Where is it from here? You can't see it from here.
Let me do it.
Oh, you can try.
I'm just going to record it and then plug it in and play.
I think it is recorded.
Oh yeah, it is recording, isn't it? Okay, that's the little one. So the big one.
Go down. Yeah, you had it. Yeah, it's over there.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
There's actually a few bucks.
Okay, it's not really showing too much. It's actually the other side of that. I don't know what to do. Listen, I've got my special slippers on today. There's magical properties of these things. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Right. Whoa. Okay, I don't know if I can go anymore. Right, next.
I want them.
Long pants. Quick legs together, good luck. Well done, excellent. Check your positioning if you check your positioning. Okay, next. Well done.
Oh, move a bit more to the side. A bit more to your left.
Andrew, check your 5 o'clock position.
Because the bench is in the way and I can't see it.
Okay, just shift over, just in fact, let me move this bench.
Alright.
Good luck. Okay. Next. Well done. Well done. Any more? Right, plug the video camera.
Yep,
Okay, just press record. So you're not really.
already did.
Okay, nice. Okay, all I'm going to do, I'm just going to wait for the touch. That's pretty good, actually. And we're going to do it one more time. Now you see it. Oh, fudge cake. Now you see it. You want a little bit smoother. Now you don't. Okay. That's it. Cut.
Go for it.
And I'll do another one if I was you. Okay, cut. No, you don't. Open your hand to show that it's gone. Excellent cut. Good luck. No, it was fine. You should have just carried on. And reveal the hand's gone. Good cut. Excellent. Do it again.